You know how growing up, they always tell you you should never trust who you meet on the internet, and definitely never meet them in person? Well, I've never been one for following the rules. So today I'm headed to the airport to pick up a special someone. I hope I didn't get catfished. What, dude? You look nothing like your profile picture. What is this?
What's up, dude?
Yeah, just throw it in the back.
Got the bike in there?
Just chuck it in there. So guys, we have the infamous Willie Stunts in the crib. He's got his, little whatever on. But it is a terrible weather day today. Probably just go get some drinks, I guess.
All right, guys. Well, since it's raining, we're at the bar. We got Willie Stunts here, though.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna have some margaritas and then see where the day takes us. Cheers.
Okay, Red.
Spicy. Spicy. Look how cute, dude. Yo, guys, we're on to the next part of the video. We got Willie Stunts outside on the Razor. How's it feel so far? Feels good. I guess that means it feels good. It's terrible weather today. It's freezing cold, and it rained all day, but it just let up, so it's like 8 o'clock. Now we're riding. Trying to avoid the wet. That counts. We're still outside though. Getting our work in. Will's just trying to get used to the Razor real quick. This is the first ride we've done. There you go. Yeah. Oh, now he's got it. Yeah, the ship lock's a nice addition. It's faster, see? All right, and we're pulling up to the Rocky Steps. Have you ever seen Rocky, dude? Oh, yeah. Yeah, come up here. Will said he wants to try some circles. You guys probably can't see. Shit. Yeah, everyone who visits here typically runs up the stairs and does the whole Rocky thing. Willie Stunts getting acclimated. Oh! There we go. It always takes a little bit to get comfy on a new bike. But watch, tomorrow, or in the next video, you guys see Will be kicking ass. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yep. Oh! Worm. Now he's getting it. Oh, onto the curb? Who is that? Woo! Go around this thing. Oh yeah. No foot down. A bar spin? You got the wrong sport, dog. Well, I don't think you can tail whip this. The wires won't let you. I'm Worm Central though, let's be real. Sketchy. What a beautiful sight. You got the center city, you got the Schuylkill River. Will's getting cozy. He'll be cozy in no time. Look at him. Look at him go. Within it better than me already. Woo! swerve these little hashes. To be honest, I don't really come over to West Philly much, but school just ended, so there really shouldn't be much of any students here. It looks like there's some sort of protest going on. What are we protesting? You're. Oh. Yeah, oh, who is this? Who is that? Oh my God. I'm trying to hype you up. Oh my God, Willie Stunts. You gotta hype the boys up. Did I? Oh my God. Oh my goodness, these one-handers, bro. Going crazy. Let's go out this way. Yeah, this is Penn's campus, I believe. Security. Come on now, onto the bridge. I forgot about this bridge being here. Careful, it's slick. Oh, look at this. Yeah, that's the spot. There he is. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Okay.
See how deep we can get these swerves on this wet road? Fuck you. That guy came so close to me for no reason. Hell yeah, looking good.
I like the shift lock a lot.
Yeah, it helps so much, dude. Shift locks on any bike help a ton. I ain't putting shit down. Is that what he said? Dude, that's every interaction in this city. Is he singing? I think he's singing something. Do you even have an AirPod in? Willie Stunts is getting it now. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh, almost up to the seats now. Willie Razor Stunts. Yeah, dude. It's a nice little dance.
You can use your body weight a lot.
Yeah, dude, you can save it. Oh, yeah. The knee knock from Willie Stunts. Oh, look at him go! He's a monster! Treating the Razor right. Nice job. Alright, so we actually decided we're going to take Will up Front Street, which becomes Kensington, Allegheny type vibes pretty fast. Woo! Alright, now we're in the section where it gets a little sketchier. Whoa, I have like no brakes. After that long wheelie I did, there was a ton of homeless population here, a lot of drug users. Shooting up like trank, literally. It used to be heroin, now it's like all trank. But they cleared a lot of it out, but apparently they pushed a lot of the people up here. I think they've got cops up here for it.
First, a clear out in Kensington. Several city agencies take to the streets, removing people. tents and structures from a 2-block stretch of Kensington Avenue. It's the latest in Mayor Parker's push to clean up the long troubled neighborhood.
Oh, so they literally set it up so they can't hang out there anymore. That's crazy. I mean, it's definitely a lot more cleared out than it was literally 2 nights ago when we were here. That's wild. When I was riding back there, either I hit a hypodermic needle and it flew up, or someone threw it at me. Dang, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, this whole thing here is crazy. It's a shame, it really is. I mean, but like, how do you deal with it? I don't know. Clearly nobody knows because it's still a problem. Yeah, that gut seat cover rips it up too. Woo-wee! There he is! Look at him go. Let's go! He's here! Willie Stunts finally arrived.
You can show your YouTube.
Yeah, BTS of how Willie Stunts gets his Instagram lives and reels of POV. You take the phone and, yeah, 0.5 of course. Flash on. Put that John in. You have a lot of trust in that. Wow. And there you go. It fell. His phone fell right out.
You wouldn't believe it.
Someone threw a rock at you.
Yeah, his phone. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Stop that man.
There you go, Willie Stunts. He's got his GoPro set up. Hi guys, well I hope you enjoyed this. I'll end with you on a, oh shoot, 22%. I'll end on a wheelie for us. But maybe we'll see you at the bar, maybe we'll see you next video. I don't know, but peace.